Cessna crossing my street. Looks like he just did a little bit of a tail pump. He's just turning left, going out towards Montevideo. Slightly bright pulse. Turning left, like a Captain Sully event. Yeah, I don't have battery, so now he's out here. There he is, turning left, low on the October 16th spot. Here he is right here. Now he has the nose up and he's turning. Where did he even turn? It's hard to tell. He went and he came in and he turned up and right. I don't know if he's trying to sell the hill or what the heck he's doing. Now it looks like he's going down, so he must have been trying to sell the hill. 2% grade. Now I just descend floating right here. I'm gonna cut save.